Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. What's new? Obviously on my end, a lot has changed. I've been gone for a while and I just wanted to do an update introductory video, I guess, before I got right into my regular videos. As you can see from my setting, I have moved. I am in a completely different place. If you don't know, about 3 weeks ago I got married, so my life has completely changed. Like, so much has changed. We had our wedding, we moved, I've been decorating, setting up our home, like so much has been going on. So I have not had the time to really sit down and film. I just put together my beauty room yesterday, so here I am now that it's done, and I just want to do this video in a nice setting like this so it's not so set up. And as you can see, I am in a more comfortable setting now. I love my old place because I lived with one of my really good friends, and that was amazing, but it didn't have bright light. It didn't have like a nice warm feel to it, so it's kind of difficult to get up every day and film videos like this. So I needed to start just like this. So anyways, let's get right into this. I just wanted to talk to you guys and say hi and hope everyone's doing well. A lot has changed with me. I mean, my last name has changed, my location has changed, and a lot is changing with my channel, I guess. So this is going to be a whole new step in my life, not just because not because I moved or because I'm married or whatever it is. I feel like I'm finally in the right place to do everything I've wanted to do on social media. I feel like I can finally explore different things. So I'm definitely going to be switching more into lifestyle videos. And I've been saying that for a long time. But the reason I can actually do it now is because I have the space. I have the environment, I have the time, I have so much more resources to be able to show you guys my life, and I can decorate and make food, and you know, this is going to be a space that I'm able to do so much more, and I have a whole room to do my videos, and I'm just a lot more comfortable. So I'm so excited. I love the natural hair community, and it has brought me so far. That is what my whole journey is, basically. Like, it is everything to me. But my hair is tired, and I also feel like my goal is to educate girls and women on natural hair and to make sure that they know what's real and what's not. And doing consistent videos on natural hair, sometimes I feel like can become very fake. It's not all about trends and all that crazy stuff. Natural hair is very real. When I wash my hair, I can share that, and that's it. It's not so gimmicky, it's not so trendy. It's care for your hair, it's health, you know. So sometimes it's difficult to do back-to-back natural hair videos. It doesn't really make sense, you know, because it's education first. It's not about trends. But YouTube is a place about trends. So if you're following trends, you have to do it more with things that make sense. I feel like maybe with products, with clothes, with things like that. But when it comes to hair growth and stuff, there's only so much you can say. There's only so much you can make trendy. Everybody is different. It's all subjective. And all, I don't know. So anyways, with that being said, I'm definitely going to be doing more lifestyle stuff. I'm going to be doing vlogs, get ready with me's, makeup. I want to get more into makeup again because that was my first true love, and I stopped because my skin was not up to par with all the other makeup people, and now I can say I have overcome acne. So I'm definitely going to get more into makeup as well. I'll still do the occasional natural hair videos, and but it's just going to be real. When it makes sense for me to do it, I will do it. If nothing has changed in my routine, or if I'm not interested in any new product, I'm not going to get up here and pretend like I am. You know what I mean? So, and that's how you guys should be with your hair as well. Don't just follow everything on YouTube because YouTube is telling you to. When you feel like you need a change or you need to fix something, then go to YouTube. Don't just go switch your whole routine because somebody said, hey, this is really good, this is what you should do. You know what I'm saying? So I will be here when it makes sense for me to be here and do my hair. So with that being said, that means I'm just going to try to focus more on growing as a business and not just focusing on one section of myself. Also, let me know what you guys think, but I'm also thinking about changing my YouTube name. And not to anything too crazy, but as you guys know, my name on YouTube is Queenie K, and I am thinking about changing it to Queenie, just Queenie on its own, because that is my name. And I'm low-key a little bit tired of people emailing me, messaging me, and calling me K. I'm like, that's not my name. And I know it's just a common mistake, and if you follow me long enough, you'll realize that my name is Queenie. But I'm thinking, I feel like I've outgrown that a bit, the whole Queenie K thing. I've had that for years, and that has been my image, I guess. But I feel like if I can change my Instagram to Queenie, I would. My YouTube, I would. Like, I think I'm outgrowing Queenie K. And I guess technically my last name doesn't start with a K anymore. But that's not even the point. But I just really want people to know my name and not be behind like a username. Like, I want people to connect with me. Like, my name is Queenie. It's not anything else. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking about doing that. So if that happens very soon, don't be alarmed. Nothing is changing. I just really want to expand and grow on this platform, and I'm here to inspire you guys. And when I first started YouTube, I did whatever I felt like, and I inspired the people that were attracted to me, you know? So it wasn't so gimmicky. Not that I feel like I am very gimmicky, but I feel like I definitely fall into trends sometimes. But if I wanted to do a hair video, I would. If I wanted to sit down and talk about inspiring somebody, I would do that. If I wanted to do makeup, I would do that. If I wanted to do skincare, I would do that. If I wanted to vlog, I would do that. I want my channel to be everything about me. This is goodbye to old Queenie for sure, and hello to a whole new chapter, a whole new look in my channel, on my platforms. So you'll be seeing a lot more of these settings here where we'll be talking and hanging out, and not so set up, you know? So anyways, that's that for this video. I guess I just want to come by and say hi, say hello. Let me know if you guys want to see a tour of my filming space. Maybe I'll do that. Actually, I can show you guys right now. Why not? And I will show you guys, I'll give you a glimpse into what I will be doing. So let me show you guys my new room and show you guys why I'm so excited to actually start filming. It's honestly not that different, I'll be real, but it's just nice to have a full clean space. I can do outfit try on hauls. Like, I have room to do that, whereas my old place, the ceilings were so low I could not even do a try on haul. All right, so a quick little sneak peek into my beauty room. Honestly, it's not much, but let's go in and I'll show you guys. Okay, so you enter through here. Here we have my little workspace. So I have my computer here, my camera, a mirror, and a chair. So nothing special, honestly. And then over here, I have some extra lighting and backdrops in case the natural light isn't working for me that day. And then up here, I still have to organize it, and I have to put up my little plaques and diplomas and stuff. So it's pretty empty in here. And this is my dresser. So I got this dresser to put extra makeup. So I have just extra products in here. And I have some more not organized makeup here. And then I have, let's see, some palettes in here. Hair tools, hair pieces, glue, anything to construct my hair basically. And I went through this yesterday, so it's a little bit messy, but yeah, anything to make a wig, to make a hair piece, to sew, glue anything to my head basically, or dye. And then here I have some products, some unused products that I'm going to use for a giveaway. But I have a lot of space over here to do videos for try-ons. Under here I have makeup and hair stuff that I use every day, so I need it kind of on hand instead of in the drawer over there. So I just put it right underneath in this clear thing. Then I have my printer over there for anything that I need to do. But yeah, so that's basically it for my beauty room / workspace. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I am so excited for the next few months of this year. 2019 has blessed me in so many ways. It has been honestly one of the best years of my life. Like, the things that happened this past year are unexplainable, and I have no words. So to end off this year, I'm just going to keep pushing, keep moving, and go even harder, because the things that I received this past year were, I don't even feel like I deserved it. Like, it was so perfect. So anyways, yeah, I love you guys so much. I will be doing my 100K giveaway video very soon. I'm getting together the little packages. I don't know what I should give out. I don't know how many packages I should give out. So I think 5, right? 5 good ones. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.